Way to step it up out there, friends. Well, Sunday is National Chicken Wing Day, and of course, restaurants want to celebrate by offering wing deals for all of you. At Buffalo Wild Wings, get free snack wings with an order. No coupon is necessary. It's valid at participating locations and for dine-in only while supplies last. At Hooters, you can get 10 free boneless wings with a purchase of any 10 wings. No coupon necessary, but again, it's for dine-in customers only. At Wingstop, get 5 wings free with any purchase. They're adding spicy Korean Q flavor sauce with loaded fries and Cajun fried corn in case you want to try that. At Native Grill and Wings, you can get 10 wings, or you can get wings for 10 cents each, and that's all day long, but the max is 10 per person, and they are going to be reintroducing a former fan favorite from their early days in 1979 on the menu. They haven't told us exactly what all that is, but they have over 20 sauces and dry rubs. You get to enjoy the old and the new, and it's a way for them to thank their customers.
You think you like the sauces, but the dry rub, I would say give it a shot.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Agreed. So these deals are good on Sunday?
Yes.
For National Wing Day.
All day long.
Yes.